If you've noticed that your home has taken on the fragrance, essence of dog, this video's for you. Here are some tips for getting rid of those canine smells from your house. Tip 1. Clean up any doggy mess. If you've got a woofy stench in your home, one of the first things you should check is for dog poo, wee and vomit, as well as saliva-ridden objects. The simplest way to clean up this kind of mess is to remove it immediately and treat the stain with an enzyme cleaner that can break through the proteins in the blemish. Tip 2. Wash your dog's stuff. Most of the smells will be concentrated where your dog spends the majority of their time. In most cases, it will be their bed and blankets, as well as toys and towels. You can wash these items in a washing machine in most cases, and by doing this, you'll reduce a lot of the smells in your home. Tip 3. Continuously brush, hoover and wash surfaces down. Clean the surfaces in your home on a regular basis to control shedding, general dirt and smells. If you have a dog, you'll need to clean your home more often to prevent the doggy smell from accumulating. Tip 4. Try and contain the smells to one area. You could try and contain the odours to a few sections within the home. For example, you could stop your pet from going upstairs. This would mean that at least half your home won't smell of your furry friend. Tip 5. Open the windows and allow ventilation inside the home. Ventilation is key when it comes to removing smells from a home. So, open up the windows in your property and allow lots of fresh air to circulate around each room. Tip 6. Scent your home. Plants and flowers can add a naturally pleasant scent to your home. You could also strategically place scented candles, diffusers and air fresheners around the house to counteract the foul smells. Tip 7. Clean your dog. You should clean your dog regularly to wash away lingering odours. You should also brush your pooch to get rid of loose, stinky fur. Tip 8. Use pet specialised cleaning tools to clean your abode. It's worth investing in specialised cleaning equipment for your home if you have pets. A vacuum cleaner designed for picking up dog hair can be a game changer. These kinds of vacuum cleaners are more powerful than average and come with different brush heads designed for picking up pet hair. Tip 9. Clean your cleaning tools. You should also clean your vacuum cleaner, washing machine and mop regularly to make sure they don't smell of dog and harbour germs. If you don't, they'll become a haven for bacteria. Incredibly unhygienic and, of course, smelly. Tip 10. Call a professional out to help you. Sometimes it doesn't matter how well you maintain your home, you just can't get rid of the doggy smell in your house. If this is the case, it's time to call a professional cleaner to help you out. They'll have different tools and tricks for dealing with stubborn odours. And tip 11. Replace items. Don't be afraid to replace extra stinky items in your home if you cannot clean and remove the dog smell from them. For example, if you can't get the odour out of a rug, it might be best simply to replace it. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.